Hi everybody, it's Alicia. I am going to show you this really cool piece of software that I bought, I'm using in my business and have passed off to our staff to use as well for some of the client work that we do. Now I want to run you through this software really quickly, but as you're watching it, you probably want to go check it out yourself too. So here's the link directly where you can go check it out. It's alicialittle.com/graphics, and you can head on over there and check out the software tool, or if you want to grab it, it's really affordable. You can grab it as well. So let me show you some of the things that this tool does. Now, as I'm doing this overview, I'm doing this for two sets of my students, and that is for my students who are in our local business courses, so anybody that's providing services to local businesses, our Deal Site students, and then I'm also doing it for our Fiverr students, those of you who are our students that provide services on Fiverr.com. So I want you both to watch this, and as I do this run through, I'm going to show you how it's beneficial to both sets of our students. And of course, if you run your own business, you want this for your own business. So I will admit that I'm not good at Photoshop. I have it. I don't like to use it, too complicated to use, and I like things that are easy, love software tools that make my life easier, and I love sharing what I buy and why I like it. So here I am in this tool right here, this graphic tool, and what it is, it's like a tool that comes with templates that allows you to make your own graphics really easily. It's especially for those of us who are graphically challenged at using, the complicated softwares, Adobe and Photoshop and that kind of stuff. Even though I do also have graphic designers on our team, I'm going to give this to them because I want them to be more efficient. The more work they can push out, the better it is for our business, right? So on this side right here, you've got this left-hand side, you've got a whole bunch of different templates, business cards, coupons, two sizes of flyers, gift certificates, loyalty cards, rack cards, thank you cards, and tickets. I'm not going to walk you through everything, but I'm going to walk you through some of them so you can see how cool it is to use. Business cards, always in demand. I always seem to need them. So here's the business card template right here. So when we're in here, anything is clickable. Like they made all these pieces, they're clickable, you can move them around, so it makes designing a business card really simple. You can even remove things that you don't want. So if I don't want these four, I'm just clicking the delete on my computer, right? And then I can upload images. Give me a second and I'm going to upload a picture of myself and Lorette. All right, so I'm uploading a picture of me and Lorette. It's going to be big because it's really high resolution picture, but I will resize it. So there we go, picture of me and Lorette. Look how easy it's going to be for me to resize it. I should have connected my computer mouse. I got 1 second. Right, and then I'll leave it as Smart Institute. Let me just show you how easy it is. The Little Sisters, right? And then I'm going to center that a little bit. And then I will change this to Alicia and Lorette, head chicks in charge. I'm just making some fun stuff here, but you can see how easy it is to play with this business card design. And then you can download it to save it. There's a whole bunch of different stuff that you can do. Change the colors. You'll see a color palette come up. Upload more images and put on here. You can view it. I love this one. Watch this. You can do this 3D preview, so that looks really good, especially if you're doing this for a local business and you want to show them, here's what your card's going to look like, but here's my favorite way to do it. So I just clicked on the realistic. It's classic and realistic. Look at that. That looks so cool. So you can definitely give it to your client looking like this, and if you're doing work on Fiverr, this should be your display photo there because it looks amazing, right? So, all right, now I'm done with that, so I'm going to scroll back down, and you can see this bar up here has all these different things that you can do. I'm going to close this project, and I'm going to create a new design. I'm going to click on New Design. And another one that I really liked was the tickets. They were really cool. All of this was really cool. But look at this. Here's a ticket. So if you're doing work for, I don't know, a band, this is what this one's good for. But you can bring any photo in, right? Everything on here is clickable. We do events all the time. I would love to make tickets for the event. I've I know that people really value having something in their hands. So now you can make a ticket and print it. And again, if you're doing work for your clients, look how good that looks on a web page. That's a great web page image. And here's an image of the ticket, right? So very nice. Now, if you're doing work on Fiverr, hang on, I'm going to go back to templates. If you're doing work on Fiverr, each one of these different templates would be a gig. Like I can make a ticket for you for an event, and then you would show the different templates that you have, which would be the templates that are here. Now, when I bought this software, I bought the upsell as well. So the original software comes with templates, and then I bought 100 more templates just because I like to have as much as possible. But again, here you go. Here is this. You can change every single aspect on this ticket. Really cool, right? Everything is changeable, movable. So color changing, whatever you want to do. Adding text, you can add different text. You can see different types of fonts. Really, really intuitive, right? So I haven't seen a software like this that can really work so well with graphics. So I'm really happy with it. Coupons. Coupons are a really big thing. As most of you know, Lorette and I are really big into daily deals. So for example, we have a company, one of our clients is running on Living Social right now. As soon as they're done running on Living Social, we've built a list for our students in Deal Site List Building. You know what I'm talking about. We've built a list from the promotion that they're doing right now. And so the next thing that I'm going to do is create a, let me get this text box go away, is we're going to create a coupon that they can have to get a certain amount off, like 15% off. I don't really like this coupon. Let me find the one that I like. So now that they have, here it is, something like this. Now that they have found interest in what we have, oh, it's the 80% discount that I like, but okay, this one's good, 50% off. But they found interest in what we have to offer, so now it's time to offer them a coupon for either something else or a coupon to the non-buyer. So I could put like $100 discount or $249 special offer or whatever I want, and then a website for them to visit, and I can simply send this image out to them in an email or post it on Facebook. Look, there's a really great image of the 80% discount that I could post on Facebook for all of the Facebook fans for this company. They've generated a lot more fans since they've been running on the Deal Site. So a lot of things that you can do with this software. I'm trying to keep this video short, otherwise I could show you everything. We could keep going. I'll just go through it really quickly if you want, you know, a good insider view of what's inside here. Lots of templates. These are different flyer templates. You can see these here. I love the Facebook. This one, a lot of our students are creating whiteboard videos, so you've got a nice flyer here for anybody that you want to sell professional video production to. So if you're doing animated and whiteboard videos, use this template to create flyers to sell your services to local businesses. And then of course coffee shops, you've got flyers for them for special things that you're doing, again, and everything is changeable. This does not have to be just coffee night. You can change it to something else. So let's go to the next set of flyers. So you see some other really good flyers right here. I'm gonna scroll through. Really great graphics, right? I love this one. You guarantee you'll see me use this one, this flyer sometime soon. When you see this flyer, you'll be like, I know how she made that. She didn't even hire a graphic designer. She did it herself. Look how every part of this is changeable. We're doing a lot for social media services. This is about to change to our new flyer for, let me show you how easy it is. Social media, easy it is to change everything. Look at that, social media marketing. I can change everything on this flyer and it would look so professional. So when you see me push that out on Facebook, you'll know how I got it made. Let's do gift certificates. Gift certificates are a really great thing for a local business, especially around holidays, and it could be another offering that they have. So, you know, here's a great one. I like this one. I think that's pretty clean. So let's go back. Loyalty cards really great again for a local business. Here's a great foot in the door strategy. If you want to work with a local business, you say, hey, what I can do for free is create you a loyalty card and show you how to use it in your business. And then we can talk about doing other stuff together. But let's at least start working together by me showing you that I can graphically create a loyalty card for your business, put it in place, and then we can continue to do other work together. So great foot in the door strategy. Look how nice these loyalty cards look. Definitely something that I'm going to implement for all of the local businesses that we work with, having punch cards, these loyalty cards, right? Very cool. So those are one of my favorites. I think the designs in the loyalty cards are fun, and they did a really good job with them. Whoever designed those must have really loved doing loyalty cards. You've got some other just really nice cards that you could use for a variety of different things. These are rack cards. And go back to templates, thank you cards, right? We all need thank you cards in our business. So hang on one second. So here you go, a bunch of different thank you cards, and I'm going to scroll back up. This was my favorite. Of course, you could change anything that you wanted. This could be another image. I could put me and Lorette sitting on a branch, and then, you know, you put your message and your website. And again, they give you some really good views with these thank you cards, right? So you could even post this on Facebook as a thank you, or send it out on Twitter as a thank you to your followers. So thank you. You helped us reach, 50,000 fans, whatever it is. So, all right, I know I've taken up enough of your time. You can tell that I love this software, and I would probably keep going through it over and over again. But important part is that it's so easy to use, that you can customize and change everything, that even if you're challenged graphically and can't use Photoshop or any other type of graphic design software, this is something that you can use. It's great for those of you that are offering services on Fiverr. I'm sure you already see how you can use it. Those of you who are offering services to local businesses, and those of you who are running your own business and really need to continue to promote it. So I'm going to use a lot of this for Facebook and social media marketing for our local business clients, and then really encourage our Fiverr clients to use it as much as they can in their business. Here's a Fiverr gig. I will create a gift certificate for your company. I will create a loyalty card for your company. I will create a thank you card for your company. I will create your business card. I will create a coupon for your company that can be printed or used on Facebook. So much to do. Enjoy it. Again, you can get this software at alicialittle.com/graphics. So grab it, enjoy it, and let me know how it works for you.